In our problem, we will follow the PEMDAS rules. So we must do the parentheses first. After that, the exponents. Then multiplication or division. At last, addition or subtraction. You know that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same for addition and subtraction. Now let's start the solution. In this problem, we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also, we have these parentheses. By implementing the PEMDAS rules, we must do this parentheses first. After that, we do this multiplication. And at last, we do this subtraction. So first, we do this parentheses. We have 15 minus 10 equals 5. And the problem became 15 minus 10 times 5. And now we must do this multiplication first. 10 times 5, which gives us 50. Now the problem became 15 minus 50, which gives minus 35. And this was the final answer for our problem.